Web development is the process of building and maintaining websites and web applications. It encompasses everything from creating simple static pages to complex dynamic platforms. This field is crucial for nearly every industry today. Learning web development opens doors to diverse career opportunities. It allows you to build tools, share information, and connect people globally. It's a skill that combines creativity with logical problem solving. At its heart, the web operates on a client-server model. Your web browser acts as the client, requesting information. A web server then responds by sending the requested data back to your browser. When you type a website address, your browser sends a request to a server. The server processes this request and delivers the necessary files. These files are then rendered by your browser, displaying the website. This communication relies on the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, or HTTP. HTTP is the set of rules governing how data is transferred over the web. It ensures that clients and servers can understand each other. Front-end development focuses on the part of the website users interact with directly. This is everything you see and experience in your browser. It's about creating an intuitive and visually appealing user interface. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, forms the structural backbone of every web page. It defines the content, such as headings, paragraphs, images, and links. Think of it as the skeleton of your website. Cascading Style Sheets, or CSS, is used to style the HTML elements. CSS controls the colors, fonts, layout, and overall visual presentation. It transforms raw HTML into an aesthetically pleasing design. JavaScript adds interactivity and dynamic behavior to web pages. It allows for features like animated elements, form validation, and interactive maps. JavaScript makes websites responsive and engaging. Many developers use front-end frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js. These tools streamline development by providing pre-built components and efficient ways to manage complex interfaces. They help build robust single-page applications. Back-end development deals with the server side of a website. This includes databases, servers, and applications that handle data and logic. It's the unseen engine powering the user-facing front-end. Back-end languages process requests, interact with databases, and send data to the front-end. Popular choices include Python, Node.js, Ruby, PHP, and Java. Each offers unique strengths for different project needs. Databases store and organize all the information a website needs. This could be user profiles, product inventories, or blog posts. Common types include SQL databases like PostgreSQL and NoSQL databases like MongoDB. Application programming interfaces, or APIs, allow different software systems to communicate. The backend often exposes APIs that the frontend uses to request and send data. They act as intermediaries for data exchange. Full-stack development involves working on both the front-end and back-end of a web application. A full-stack developer understands how all parts of a web system interact. They can build a complete application from start to finish. This role requires a broad understanding of various technologies. Full-stack developers are versatile and can contribute to different aspects of a project. They are highly valued in many development teams. A good code editor or integrated development environment is fundamental. Tools like VS Code provide features like syntax highlighting, code completion, and debugging. They significantly enhance developer productivity. Version control systems, especially Git, are indispensable. Git tracks changes to your code, allowing you to revert to previous versions. It also facilitates collaboration among multiple developers on a single project. Once a website is built, it needs to be deployed to a web server. This makes it accessible to users worldwide. Hosting providers offer services to store your website files and make them available online. To begin your web development journey, start with the basics: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Numerous free online resources, tutorials, and documentation are available. Consistency is key to building a strong foundation. Practice regularly by building small projects. Start with simple static pages, then add styling and interactivity. Gradually tackle more complex applications to solidify your understanding and skills. Engage with the developer community through forums, online groups, and local meetups. Learning from others and contributing to open-source projects can accelerate your growth. Web development is a continuous learning process. Web development is a dynamic and rewarding field. It empowers you to create digital experiences that impact millions. By understanding its core components and committing to continuous learning, you can build a successful career. Embrace the challenges and celebrate your progress. The web is constantly evolving, offering endless opportunities for innovation. Your journey into web development starts now.